menus, everything was lining up. I thought this looked good. And so it really surprised me when I jumped in. Now it's sort of stair stepping back up. And so I jumped in right here, as adventurous as me. So
找不到，
我找得了。
Okay, wait. You're gonna break it. All right. Here. All right, Doodlebug. Oh, okay. I think I kind of want one of the desserts, honestly.
And lamb hash from our breakfast items, and then the rest of the menu we should have, except for our chicken
Like, sorry, girl. Sorry, guys. I gotta go. We'll do that.
He was out in the hallway, so he's like posted on the side of the wall, looking in.
Okay.